Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you don't know how to turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger. So first, let's do that for Facebook. Just open your Facebook app on your phone. Now just tap on this three line here. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on this settings and privacy. Now again just tap on these settings. From here just scroll a little bit and you can see there is an option audience and visibility. In this section you will find active status. Just tap on this and simply just toggle this off and just tap on this turn off. Your active status is turned off for Facebook. So let's do this for Messenger. So just open your Messenger app from your phone and just tap on this menu here, and from here just tap on these settings. Now you can see there is an option for active status. Just tap here and similar to Facebook just tap on this toggle button here and turn it off. So from here you can set the activity status turned off for 1 hour, 8 hour, or you can set a custom timing, right? So if you want to turn this off for forever, then just keep it as it is until I change it, and then just tap on this pause. See, your active status is turned off for Messenger. So basically this is how you can turn off your activity status on Facebook and Messenger. If you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.